Welcome to the Pere Learning Center. At the Pere Learning Center, we provide ABA therapy for children with autism. So we have two buildings at our center, so we have lots of space for kids to have therapy in. We have a variety of one-on-one rooms. Some are larger in size, some are smaller. We have a couple classrooms where we work on school readiness skills with desks and big group tables and spaces to play. We also have a gym where kids can run around, work on gross motor skills, play games with their friends, and we have an outdoor area as well with some playground equipment. We also have a kitchen where kids can eat lunch together and socialize and practice again for when they go to school. And we also have a sensory room if they need a quiet space to calm down or to self-regulate. We also have parent meeting rooms where we're able to have parent trainings or collaborate with them, give them updates on therapy, and discuss goals with them. And then we have a variety of testing rooms where we might do some assessments, and we have a room for our diagnostics where we diagnose children with autism so then they can begin services with us.
So the staff at the Pere Learning Center have a lot of tenure. A lot of employees have worked with WEAP for 15 plus years, with our longest being over 25 years. WEAP stands out with their level of compassionate care for families and for their children, as well as providing assent-based programming. So creating an individualized program while allowing the child to have a voice, listening to what the child needs, focusing on areas that motivate and are strengths for our children, and making sure that we have an individualized program that creates a socially significant outcome.
There are quite a few benefits to having a learning center. It allows access to peers so that our clients can play with friends, learn social skills. And we also have those classroom areas so we can work on those school readiness skills. So when children do transition to school after our program, they're ready, they're familiar with that environment, they're familiar with how a classroom might run in terms of running a circle time, table time programs, and then some free play and playing with other friends.
WEAP partners with parents by meeting parents where they're at. So understanding that every family has different background, different values, different cultures. And we work with what's important to the family, creating an individualized plan for their child, but as well as putting together an individualized plan for the families for outside of therapy as well.
The center is located in West De Pere. It's near Festival Foods off of Main Avenue and right near Sandacres Park. If you have any questions about our learning center, please reach out. We look forward to hearing from you soon.